In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to identify primary, secondary, and tertiary amine. In a primary amine, the nitrogen, so this nitrogen is always going to be connected to only one carbon. So this is a carbon, okay? One carbon chain. So this whole thing is a carbon chain. So when the nitrogen is connected to only one carbon chain, we say that that is a primary amine. In a secondary amine, the nitrogen is going to be connected to 1 and 2 carbon chains. So for this one, you would have secondary amine. In a tertiary amine, the nitrogen is going to be connected to 1, 2, and 3 carbon chains. Okay, so when you have this type of situation, that will be a tertiary amine. So for this question, we are asked to identify the primary, secondary, and tertiary amine. Starting with this one, since that nitrogen is connected to only one carbon chain, that would be a primary amine. And primary, you can write as 1 degree. Okay. Now, this one here is connected to 1, 2, and 3 carbon chains. And that makes it a tertiary amine. Whereas this one here is connected to 1 and then 2. Okay. And that makes this a secondary amine. I hope this video has helped you. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.